I'm Sam.
And I'm Toby.
And we're the
Microbe Brothers.
Hi everybody, so today we'll be talking about
Sea life.
So here we have some like arthropods, we have some mites, which we actually got from moss.
Yeah.
And alright, let's get to it. So here we have Darkfield of that same creature we were just watching.
And it's on the eye.
I just really love how different the eye looks, how much more bright it looks.
It looks like we just got a picture of honeycomb, put it on and made it too bright.
Yeah, by accident. It just is a glowing spot in the middle of it. And when I first saw it, I thought it was some big creepy thing that I didn't know how we got it, but we actually found two of it in the same sample.
This is light field.
This is the same thing in light field, so I think it's probably opaque, so the light doesn't pass through it, but it bounces off of it nicely, like a white opaque thing. So it was shadow from there.
This is
another seawater arthropod.
Yes.
We think it might be a shrimp, though it has one eye, so I don't know. If you know what it is, please leave it in the comments below. And also, if you try collecting this stuff, I would not shake it up as much as we did. That's why it's covered in junk and stuff. Same sample.
Yeah.
Here's what we think might be a cyclops, and those can turn into a few different things, I think. And I think it could turn into, we weren't sure, it might be a cyclops, and it could, I think, be a small crab, a small barnacle, or a cyclops. And this is a possible small barnacle. I'm not sure what it is. None of us really are. And if you know what any of these things in the video are, please leave what you think it is in the comments below.
This is a mite, and same for all the other stuff. If you know what type of mite it is, please leave it in the comments below.
And I love how that looks like it would be an actual bug in our world. Whereas everything else looks like it would be a tardigrade or a nematode. Does not look like it's actually in our world, but that is actually something that we could relate to.
And also, Sam was wondering if those are actually real hairs.
I did a bunch of searching, I couldn't find it, so if you know what it is, please, if you know if those are actual hairs or not, please leave it in the comments below.
Here we have another mite.
We also don't know what it is, but this one even looks like a beetle almost. And in a second, we're going to be showing you a dark field of the same beetle with, I think, that same little piece of grain of sand.
Yeah.
We got both of these from, I wouldn't think we'd get it from here, but we got it from moss. And here's our little buddy holding on to his grain of sand.
And turning it.
A bit. And it looks like it's just feeling, is there food over there? Is there food over there? And here is what we think is a baseodiscus delineatus, and I know it's hard to spell that sort of thing when I'm trying to pronounce it, so Dad will leave it in the
description below.
Mm-hmm. And here we have the same thing, except in Darkfield. This is one of the rare times it stopped moving.
Mm-hmm.
For 15 hours straight, it was darting around the slide until it got covered
Trapped
over
in
with
ice
salt.
Yeah.
Not ice crystal. We didn't have it in the freezer. It was just seawater that was evaporating. And you could see back there, you could see its foot. And
Please like and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notifications whenever we make new videos. Bye!
Bye!